The XEA137 register has the function of periodic reporting. So in addition to your normal X and Z reports, you can run a periodic report. An X report, so if you've seen my previous videos, you'll understand that the X report is a non-resetting report, mainly designed for seeing how much money should be in the till at a given point in the day. So when you run an X report, it doesn't affect the data. You can run the report as many times as you like without resetting any data. This is done in the X flash mode. When you do your end of day report, you turn the key round to the Z position and you run the similar report, or the process is the same, but all the data resets, so you're back to 0 apart from your GTs. What you can also do on this machine is the periodic reporting. Now, how you do this, or when you do this, depends on how your business works and when you want the report information to consolidate. So the tills aren't clever enough for you to go into them and say, I want to see what I did in March 2017, or I need a report for last week. But what you can do is you can develop a routine for your periodic reporting. So in addition to your Z daily report, you can use the periodic function for either a weekly or a monthly report, providing that you remember to run the report at the end of every week or month or whatever time period you want. To run the report, to run the resetting version of the periodic report, you turn the key to the Z position, then you press the shift key and then the total button here. So this periodic report that's printing out now is a consolidation of all the Z reports I've run on the till up until this point, or since I last ran this report. So if I've run a Z report every day of the week, I've got 7 Z reports, and then I run this periodic report, this periodic report will be a consolidation of the 7 Z reports. You can also do a non-resetting version of the periodic report by turning the key to the X mode and pressing shift and total, but generally if you do this sort of reporting, you're going to want it to reset, because the key thing, I can't stress this enough, is to get into a routine of doing a Z report at the end of every day and then doing your periodic report at the end of every week or every month or every quarter, depending on what time period you want the reports run over. Hope that's explained things. The key thing to remember, of course, is to turn the key back to reg or off once you finish running your reports. There's plenty of other videos appearing on screen now showing you how to do different reports on the XEA137. You'll be welcome to watch these. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.